Are you a sufferer or tortured or exploited by any evil person? Do you know how to deal? Then listen. Rishi Valmiki was a hunter and a highway robber in his early life. Eventually, he turned out to be a great poet and wrote the great epic Ramayana. So, those who are evil or negative in nature and you are somehow exploited or tortured by them, rather avoiding them, make them listen Valmiki's story. Transformation will be seen definitely. Do you know why Lord Shiva applies ashes on his body? What is the symbolism of it? Do you know? If not, then listen. Ash is the symbolism of completeness. Man is mortal. After death, bodies are to be burned and remains only ashes. So, those who are proudy regarding their health and looks, the ashes are reminder to them that life gets its completeness through death. Do you know how is your friend circle should be or with whom you should associate? Remember, all the successful and well-known famous people are somehow associated with pure, pious and positive good personalities, and it results wisdom, glory, material prosperity and salvation to their life. Do you know when God responds on our calls? When we keep our humble submission towards God and praying in the childlike attitude, only then God listens to us and compassions on us. Do you know what is the benefit of association with positive-minded people? A fragrant flower always tends to spread its sweet smell, whether it is on the hand of good or evil. Similarly, positive people always leaves good effects or positive vibes to your life. Do you know how to get wonderful future? Then listen. Whatever you have done previously, you cannot rectify, and you must have to survive its effect positively or negatively. But what you can do now? From today onwards, you can rectify your own karmas, just leaving all the evils of life for wonderful future. Do you know who will suffer from the bad effects of your wrong karmas or sins? After your death, like your property's only owner will be your son and daughter, similarly, after your death, the only sufferer will be your son and daughter of your bad karmas, as because the effect of bad karmas are carried forward generation to generation. What do you think? This world is good or bad? Actually, this world is neither good nor bad. It's a mixture of both, positive and negative, pain and pleasure, sin and virtue, plenty and poverty, desert and fertile, high and low, polar and desert, day and night, young and old. So be practical. Don't expect only goodness in life. Do you want to live after death in the mind of people? Then do something extra than your personal survival. You could plant 100 shady trees beside roads or parks or anywhere else. Your and your next generation's life will be secured for health, wealth and prosperity. And your effect will somehow remain after your death. Very good night. What do you think? Are you a blessed person or not? Remember, those who are really blessed by God generally have interest in spiritual talking, noblemen, holy men and their deeds, and always do little bit extra for society than normal people. Do you know if a good man falls into evil company, what happens? By mischance, if a good man falls into evil company, his good virtues are treated badly, as vegetable seller is unable to judge the quality of a gems. Rather, a jeweler could find a gems into a normal stone. So, keep safe distance from negative people. Do you know how to be transformed in life? A worst and evil and wicked person could be transformed in contact with virtuous men. So keep touch with good people. Do you want to spread your name and fame nationally, internationally, even after your death? Then do something extra than your personal day-to-day survival. You could read the religious books of your own religion and spread its good message among people. The great saints like Vivekananda, Ramakrishna Paramahansadev, Buddha, Nanak, Kabir, etc. all were the great announcer and influencer of their own religion toward this world.